Hey everybody, Hunter Fisher, Trapper, Trader, Guide, Scout, and Interpreter, and just a country cook, Steve Hall, here in Nashville, Tennessee, along with Shishi and Jen Jen.
We heard that we have a special fan and subscriber that has watched all of the shows since the beginning of the channel, and that he is an avid cook and loves to do and share our recipes with his family every morning he comes down.
And that he just loves the show, and so we want to say
A big 75th happy birthday to Kenneth. And we really appreciate you watching, Kenneth. Your granddaughter thought it would be special if we did a recipe just for you. So this one is just for you.
Hi, this is Shishi,
Hi, this is Jen Jen.
and we're back today to do another recipe, and this is a real cool summer-like recipe.
Absolutely. In fact, if you don't want to bake, this is the thing for you because you don't have to even turn on your oven for this one.
Well, that's good for me then.
This is called a strawberry vanilla pecan icebox cake.
Sounds good to me.
Sounds good to me too because I like cool things in the summertime, and I know all of you like cool things in the summertime. So here's what we've got. We've got whipped cream. We've got honey graham crackers. We've got some instant vanilla pudding that we've already made up. You'll probably need a couple boxes of these. We've got our strawberries that we've already mixed in some sugar to sweeten them up and get them. And we left a few that didn't have sugar on them because the sugar will really soften up, and that's what we want on the inside. But we don't necessarily want that for the topping, so we didn't put any sugar on that. And then we've got our instant vanilla pudding already made up, and I already said that.
You already said that?
So,
Get round and round.
round and round and round. So
Okay.
the first thing we're going to do is we're going to add a little bit of whipped cream to the bottom of this pan. And here is a little spreader, and you can just put a little bit on the bottom, just enough to just a thin layer, so that when we put the graham crackers in, it will be soft.
So when it gets in the fridge,
It'll soak up in there. Yeah.
okay, that's a thin layer. It should be.
Yeah. All right. And your graham crackers will kind of smash it down too. So okay, I'll take that from you.
Okay. Now layer this up.
Yep. You just place each graham cracker side by side on the bottom.
So why do they call this an icebox?
Well, the reason is in the 20s they did not have a refrigerator. They had an icebox. And when Nabisco came out with the vanilla wafers, they decided to put whipped cream on the top and put it in a dish like this and put it in the icebox to chill it and make a cake out of it.
My grandmother had one of those icebox.
Yeah.
I love those things.
And so that's how they came up with the icebox name. And there's all kinds of variations of this that you could make. But you could add any kind of toppings that you'd like. I mean, I've seen s'mores, I've seen blueberry, I've seen pineapple, lemon. Oh yeah, all kinds of stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of this vanilla pudding, and I'm going to add in a little bit of our whipped cream, and I'm going to whip this together. And it's kind of sticky still. It hasn't quite defrosted all the way. You got to make sure your whipped cream is defrosted too, because it makes it hard to work with it. That's not like me. Don't rush it. So, and I'll let you stir that up, Shishi. Mix it all together. I'll slide this down back here. So just once we mix that all up, we're just going to layer that on top of the graham crackers. And then we're going to add some strawberries. And these strawberries already have sugar on them, like I said. And
plus it's going to be very colorful.
Yes.
By the time you get through with this.
You could also make your own whip topping. We bought the Cool Whip to make it easy, but if you want to get creative and make your own, you can do it with heavy whipping cream and powdered sugar and vanilla, and whip it up yourself, which will make the consistency a little bit stiffer. So, but we're going to just do it with regular Cool Whip because we're going to make it easy. And we know how we like easy.
Oh, love it. Yeah, I do.
Sheila and I like easy, so.
Okay.
All right, so just scoop some of that on there and I'll spread it out. Yeah.
Oh, this is creamy.
Isn't that nice? And adding the pudding in there is really going to help make this consistency nice and creamy. That's
probably
good right there. So you just kind of spread that out. And then we'll take some of these strawberries and we'll just Sprinkle them inside, all along the top. Yum.
That's good already.
I know. That's probably good. Just make sure they're all filled in. Okay, then we're going to add another layer of graham crackers. Be careful because the graham crackers, if you push them down too much, they'll break. So just be careful when you're placing them in there that they're kind of leveled out. And basically, we're just going to layer this all up.
Okay.
And I'll eat this other graham cracker piece since it's here and it's calling me.
Yeah, go ahead. You want some of this?
Yeah, scoop that puppy on it. No, I'll wait for the cake to be done. Mm-hmm. Doesn't that look good?
Yes.
And you can see it's a little bit thicker consistency because we added that vanilla pudding in there, and that really helps. I might want to just go ahead and finish that off. We're going to just put whipped cream on top, so.
Here we go.
Go ahead and scoop her on in and I'll spread it around. You know, and this is really good. Like I said, you don't have to turn on your oven for this. You've got, you know, somebody coming over and you just want to whip together some kind of dessert. This is an easy dessert. And who doesn't like strawberries and cream? And who doesn't like pecans?
Oh, I love those things.
I know. And you know, you could even get the caramelized, like, pecans.
Pecans.
Or caramelize them yourself if you know how.
Pecans.
Yeah. Is it pecans or pecans?
Either one's good with me.
Alright,
Here we go.
let's put some strawberries in there. Yeah.
There we go.
Load it up.
I'm trying to not get the juice.
And I'm going to show them what this looks like. Go ahead, Sheila. I know you're dying to have one of those strawberries. Go. She's like, I got to have one. Here. That's okay. So now we're going to add one more final layer of the graham cracker. And these are the honey graham crackers. And it doesn't have to be pretty because you're not going to see it. So, okay. So then the final thing we're going to do, we're going to just put whipped cream on top. So, and then we'll take some of these strawberries and we'll just all along the top. I love pecans.
Yes. Mm.
All right.
So this has been in the fridge for 4 hours?
4 hours. We had this in the fridge, which makes it nice and moist on the inside. All those graham crackers should be all meshed together and soft, just like a cake. And doesn't that look delicious?
Yes. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay.
Scoop us up some, Shishi.
Okay.
You see, it cuts real easy once that graham cracker is soft.
Yes.
Oh, yeah. Look
I
at
like
that.
anything that's got pecans to it.
Here you go. Oh, my gosh. Doesn't that look good?
Mm.
Got some coffee here.
Ready?
And
ready for a toast?
I'm ready.
There we go.
We're going to have some strawberry, vanilla, pecan, icebox cake. Mmm.
Okay, you ready?
I'm ready.
Go.
Mmm. Wow.
Really good.
Really good. You guys are going to love this one. And this is so easy. You can make this during the summer. You don't even have to turn the oven on for this one. Very simple, and everybody will love this. As Steve would say, if this ain't the best strawberry, vanilla, pecan, icebox cake.
Yeah, there you go.
That, if it ain't, it ought to be. Thanks again for watching and liking and sharing.
And subscribing.
And don't forget to follow us on
Facebook.
And Instagram.
Twitter.
And visit us at shotgunred.com. Until next time, guys.
Bye.
Bye. We're going to keep eating.
Yes, of course.
Well, that's Shishi and Jen, them two girls having too much fun. We hope you enjoy this recipe, and we really hope you subscribe to our channel. That's easy. Little Shotgun Red's face will pop up over here in a little bit. When you click on it, it'll say subscribe, then you're subscribed. Next to it will be a little notification bell. If you click that little bell, then YouTube will send you every single one of our recipes or a notification that we posted one as soon as it comes out. See you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Is this the best? If it ain't, it ought to be.